You can expect a lot from the 2011 Infiniti G25. With just over 30,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Infiniti prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including leather upholstery, front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, power front seats, remote keyless entry, and power windows. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Infiniti's comprehensive certification process. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.